Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard. Click on the marketplace icon in the main navigation bar. Select Browse Apps from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Shopify to find the integration. Click on the Shopify app in the search results. Review the app details and click the Install App button. You will be prompted to log in to your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify store credentials and click Login. Authorize the integration by clicking Allow when prompted. Once connected, return to your HubSpot dashboard. Go to the Marketing section in the main menu. Select Email from the drop-down. Click on Integrations to verify your Shopify connection. Navigate to Shopify under the Integrations list. Review the settings available for your Shopify store. You can customize data syncing preferences here. Select what information you want to sync, such as products and customers. Confirm your selections and save changes. To create a Shopify campaign, go to the Marketing tab. Click on Campaigns and select Create Campaign. Choose Shopify from the available options. Customize your campaign details, including target audience and content. Finally, preview your campaign and schedule it for launch. You've now successfully connected HubSpot with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.